Is scoliosis treatment painful? Is it safe? Could I even get worse by having scoliosis treatment? I want to tell you that we did a very extensive safety study on this treatment, maybe about 10 years ago. All of the offices that were using this type of scoliosis treatment did a before and after questionnaire of all of their patients, and it was a research project, so all of the data was tabulated and statistically analyzed, and what we found was that there is almost no evidence. I would say almost no, because occasionally people would feel a little sore after the treatment, maybe for a day or two, something like that. But even that was very rare. It was down to just a few percent. So really, this treatment is extremely safe. Can you get worse with this treatment? Well, if you only did a piece of it, the answer would be yes. Because why? Because we don't want to release the spine and then not direct it where to go. This is why it's very important that people follow through with the entire program. Because the program is designed to do a few things. One is to get mobility into the spine, but the second is to lift and direct that mobility into correction. So it's very important that the person does the full system in order to get the best result. Could they get worse? Theoretically, it's possible, but honestly, I never see that happen. Is the treatment painful? In fact, it has to be 100% painless. Why is that? Because in our bodies, we have two fundamental types of muscles. You have the type of muscle when you go to the gym and you're lifting weights, you're thinking about it. You're saying, I'm going to move this way. But right now, my body, my postural muscles are very active. I am not thinking about it at all. Those are the muscles that control the scoliosis. So if I'm going to cause any discomfort to the person having treatment, what are they going to do? They're going to hold themselves in such a way as to minimize the discomfort, and they're going to override their postural mechanisms. We don't want that. We want them to be completely relaxed. So it is actually essential that the treatment be completely painless. Is it possible that something could be bothering them? Yeah, a strap could be rubbing on them, an exercise could be bothering them. I say to them at the beginning, you must tell me or my team, and we're going to fix it. We want this treatment to be 100% painless. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.